Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews.
Today, we've got something that's essential in every kitchen, the premium kitchen hand towels. If you're tired of flimsy and inefficient kitchen towels, you're in for a treat. These premium kitchen hand towels are a game changer when it comes to keeping your kitchen clean and tidy. Let's dive into all the reasons why these towels are making waves in the market. First and foremost, these towels are made from 100% ring-spun cotton. That means they are not only incredibly soft but also highly absorbent. Say goodbye to those cheap, paper-thin towels that barely do the job. These are designed to soak up spills and dry your dishes efficiently. What sets these towels apart is that they come in a pack of 6, and they offer a variety of textures. You get flat towels and terry towels, perfect for different kitchen tasks. Whether you're drying dishes, cleaning countertops, or wiping up spills, there's a towel in this set for every job. But that's not all. These towels come with a convenient hanging loop, making it easy to keep them within arm's reach in your kitchen. And guess what? They even include a bonus tote bag, making this set an excellent gift option for your loved ones. Now, you might be wondering about maintenance. No worries there. These towels are machine washable and reusable. Just toss them in with your regular laundry, and they'll maintain their look and feel through multiple wash cycles. But, hey, don't take my word for it. These towels have received rave reviews from customers. With an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 9,000 ratings on Amazon, it's safe to say that these towels have won the hearts of many. So, if you're in the market for high-quality kitchen towels that are soft, absorbent, and versatile, look no further than the premium kitchen hand towels.
And that's a wrap on today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews.
Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.